Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to perform a software update on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And now you want to go down on this page and select the System tile. And now you want to scroll down and select the Software Updates tile. You can check for system updates by selecting this first field here, just by selecting it and then check for updates and see if there are any updates available. You can also go here and select app updates as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.